Oh yeah, 105 is the number that comes to my head. When I think of all the years I wanna be with you, I wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do. And you know one of these days, when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. We'll forever be in love, so there ain't no need to rush. But one day I won't be able.
Thank you Unilab sa lahat ng pinadala nyo kay Baby Calix, and excited na kami gamitin and i-review tong
At unahin natin tong Air Pro Baby Diaper ng Unilab. Ang dami kong nakikita kasi guys na magandang reviews at good comments about sa diaper na to. So excited kaming gamitin siya for Baby Calix.
Unilab Air Pro Baby Diaper has a super absorbent core keeping your baby's skin comfortable and dry. Its ultra soft top sheet will surely reduce skin friction and nappy rash. It also has stretchable waistband to keep the diaper fit on your baby and to help them move freely.
Ito yung mga products na meron kami sa Unilab. Itong mga baby wipes nila. At etong baby detergent cups. And yung mga Unilab baby feeding bottle cleanser.
meron ding Unilab Baby Laundry Detergent.
Ayan. Kaya guys, try nyo din tong Unilab para sa mga babies nyo, mga mommies and daddies.